Let's talk about the next film launch, which is David, and I'm really excited because I come from Karnataka, and to me to promote uh, three young talents who put together this film. It's amazing. They have put the film together, directed it. Mr. Bhargav and team, please come over here. And what's interesting, and can I also say, the beauty is they put this film together. They wrote, directed, produced, and they come to Cannes, push the film, and they've got a buyer for the film. I think that's amazing. Give them a big clap. Why don't you all come, the team of David? So, Bhargav, I understand you've written and directed this film. I'd like you to tell us about this whole journey because it's interesting to see how you've done this.
Hi, Namaste, Namaskara. I'm Bhargav Yogambar. I'm the director of the Kannada film David. So it wasn't easy for us as a first-time filmmaker. As you all know that it's really hard to make films without a background. And we are from a very small background, and we were nowhere related to films, and we were always just dreaming about cinema. So that is how I met Shreyas. I'm actually a choreographer, and he was my student, and that's how we got introduced, and we got both together, and we made this film called David. So now 2 days back we signed a LA-based company called the Global Genesis Group. Hi Charles, is right here, and so come on. So here's Charles, and you want to speak about the movie? How did you feel?
I could.
Watching it, how did you feel?
These gentlemen, these young men, walked up to me at our booth. We're in the Palais. We're a production company and a distribution company based in Los Angeles and Las Vegas. And they didn't have an appointment. They just said, "We made a movie, and would you like to see the trailer?" And I come to all the markets. We are in TV, we are in film, and so I see hundreds and hundreds of trailers. And I took a few minutes and I watched the trailer, and I immediately shook their hands, which I don't think has ever happened. And I mean, it's a beautiful film. This is wow.
Yes, I think of course, because distribution is not an easy job, and that shows great congratulations. And you plan to release it worldwide? Or
Everywhere, yes.
That's amazing.
Worldwide distribution.
That's a success story for all three of you from David, and maybe we can have a look at your trailer, or maybe could you introduce your colleagues as well?
Yeah, and he's Shreyas, and he's the hero of the film, and it's better you talk.
Hi everyone. It's an amazing feeling to be here amongst you all, and on this great stage, I would like to thank a lot of people, starting with Ministry of Information and Broadcast, Government of India, the CII, NFDC, FICCI, and a lot of my seniors and counterparts. And last but not the least, Mr. Saravana Prasad from Innovative Film Academy for showing us the path and getting us here. Thank you so much. Please have a look at the trailer and do let us know what you think.
And before we launch the trailer, I think we should do this. We should do this.
So for all the foreigners sitting here, that's a custom we make to take the blessings of somebody who supported you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the members of Indian Pavilion. Thank you.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂಕಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವರಿಡ್.
ಈ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ನಿನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೌತಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳಿಗೂ ನನಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೀಗ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಈ ಹುಡುಕಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಯಾರು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ದಿರೋ ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಳು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಶ್ರೇಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಲು? ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತಿರೋ ಹೆಸರು Merry Christmas, fellows.